Have you given thanks for your journey lately? This video is coming out on Thanksgiving, and this is a time of year where everyone is spending time being thankful, especially here in the United States, obviously, where we celebrate Thanksgiving. We're generally thankful for lots of things, especially things that we consider to be good things, to be helpful things. But one of the things that I find most people don't even think to be thankful for is the journey that brought them to being a developer. Today, I just want to give you 3 quick reasons why you should be thankful for this journey. Hey, Junior Devs, Dev Mentor Dave here, helping you bridge the gap from learning to code to launching successful careers. Happy Thanksgiving. Leave a comment below and let me know what you're thankful for that's maybe a part of the journey that's brought you to this point. And if you say it's the Dev Mentor Dave YouTube channel, I'll give you a heart. So what do I mean when I say be thankful for your journey? What I mean is be thankful for all the things that have happened along the way to bring you to this point in your career. You know, I often get asked, so what's the best way to learn to code? What's the best way to find a mentor? What's the best way to get into development? What's the best way to do whatever? And the reality is that there just isn't a best way. Everybody comes to this world of development from different starting points, from different paths. Some take very long paths to get there. Some take very short paths. Some have skills already that they can use to get up to speed faster. Some have to learn all those skills from the very beginning. So the first reason you should be thankful for your journey is that every journey is unique, and your journey is unique to you. Nobody else has gone the exact same way you have gone. And the great part about that is that's something that you can actually share with other people. You can provide hope and you can provide insight to others coming behind you because you have walked a path, and it is a unique path, and it gives you a unique perspective. So you need to be thankful for the journey because it's a unique journey to you. One of the things that I love about mentoring is the ability to go back and think about the things that have happened in my life and the things that have led me to where I am today. I get to go back and think about some of the things that I struggled with and some of the things that made it difficult to get to where I am today. I get to go back and think of the successes and the joys and the things that I have been able to accomplish that brought me to where I am today. And as a mentor, I get to share those things. I get to show people those things and help them see that all the things that they're encountering, all the frustrations and the struggles and the stuff that they don't want to go through is going to lead them to all the successes and all the joy and all the fun that is part of this development career. So the second reason we need to be thankful for this journey is because the journey is what made us who we are today. See, all those struggles and hardships and successes and failures and all those classes and hours spent working and learning and failing and getting up and trying again, all of that stuff made us who we are today as a developer. Now, maybe you think you're on the lower rung of that development group, or maybe you're a developer who's been doing it for 50 years. I don't know if that's even possible. You've been doing it for a long time. The question is, have you ever stopped and considered the journey that brought you to where you are? Have you ever thought about the things that you have learned and shared those things with other people? Are you grateful for both the good and the bad? Because both of those things are what made you the developer that you are today. But probably my favorite thing about working with junior developers is that I get to not just tell them about the hard things, not just tell them about my successes and say, look at me, but I get to show them that there is a really great future ahead. If they're willing to put in the work and they're willing to put in the effort, they're willing to put in the time, they're willing to go through those painful processes, there is something really good at the end. Yes, a good paying job, sure, that's part of it. There are those successes and there are those joys and those fun and those relationships and in jobs and teams that you work on and all these great things that are ahead of you, and your journey isn't really done. See, no matter where you are in the process, as long as you're still alive, your journey of life isn't done, and your journey as a developer isn't done until you quit. And so that's the third reason why you need to be thankful for the journey, because it's still going. And honestly, especially in a down economy where it's hard to get jobs, if you are in a job, if you are pursuing your career, if you are still making money, if you are still on that journey, That's definitely something to be thankful for. So as you celebrate this Thanksgiving and you maybe think about all the things you're thankful for, take a few minutes and think back on your journey of how you got here and be thankful for all the things, for the struggles and the sweat and the tears, and for the successes and the joys and the friendships. Of course, one of the hardest things to be thankful for is when you do lose that job. But really, it could be one of the best things for your growth and for your career. Check out this video to learn 3 reasons why losing your job could just be the best thing for you. Hey, if you find this content helpful, would you hit the like button for me? It helps me get it out to more people and try to help them on their journeys as well. And thank you for spending some time with me this Thanksgiving. I'll see you on the next one.